What's up, YouTube? This is Victor on the Let Me Explain show, and today I would like to get some commentary on Wells Fargo shattering their lines of credit. So I do bank with Wells Fargo, and I do have credit with them, and it's been pretty convenient for me to get a line of credit when I needed one. So this is pretty disruptive for me, and puts me in quite a situation where I have to make a decision whether I continue banking with Wells Fargo or not. And I think the decision is leaning more to the latter. I'm going to be looking into the credit union and other banks with better rates and just transfer my credit over to those banks. So the whole idea of this video is to just gather opinions to see what other people think about it, and also what does it mean for the banking industry as it stands, because this is a pretty drastic move to be taken by Wells Fargo, which is the third largest bank in the States. So does it mean banks are moving away from lending as a means of generating income, which is one big aspect of income generation when it comes to banks, or is it particular to Wells Fargo? So these are opinions I'm seeking from people. And looking at it personally, I feel that the banking industry has been flooded by new platforms that offer possibly better services, possibly better rates. When you look at it, it's so much easier now to open a bank account. You can do it in minutes if you have an address and you have a smartphone. You could do that so easily. So for example, you could have a Cash App account in minutes. You could have a Venmo account in minutes. But it does tie into a bank account if you want to deposit funds and so on. So how is this all going to play out? I know you could, with Venmo and Cash App, you could do peer-to-peer transactions where you don't necessarily need a bank account. So that cuts that out. But bottom line is, if you're going to transfer large amounts of money and you need to top up your app, Cash App, Venmo, whatever it may be, Robinhood, that's directly linked to a bank, so cut that one out. So how's that going to play out? I'm really interested to see how the financial industry will be disrupted. We must also consider that crypto is, much as it's being debated about its validity and durability, it is a challenge to the banking industry, because a lot of people are learning about it. A lot of people are switching to it. So what does that look like in the long run? What does the traditional banking model look like 3 years from now, 5 years from now? So if there are any experts in the audience, or just lay people like me who have an opinion, I would love to hear it. So please do share it in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.